We have a brand new brake caliper here for a Ford F-150 pickup. This happens to be the left-hand one. Got ready to use it and felt pretty good about it until I just happened to check the bleeder screw. The reason I'm having to replace my calipers on my truck is because I did a brake job and I couldn't get the bleeder screw to come out. It was fused in there. So I bought the new part and got ready to do it, and I thought I'd check this, ensure that it was free, and lo and behold, it was fused practically in there. It took vice grips to get it out, and then, as if that weren't enough, I start to looking at the thing here and start to look at it, and then I see that the actual hole, the vent hole or bleeder hole channel, is plugged. So this is brand new. This was purchased today. I went out and I started trying to figure out what could I do. I don't want to take the part back. I went and bought some aftermarket type things that you can get. They cost quite a bit more money. This one has its built-in check valve all ready to go, so it's set up for a one-person brake job. I didn't really need that, but I wanted the quality there, so I started to screw the thing in. I realized this channel is extremely dirty, so I got to clean that out before I even go ahead and use the new one. It's already come with anti-seize compound on it. So to clean this thing, I took a cleaning brush to put in there, and then I just screwed the old part back in many times and then cleaned it off on the paper towel here, screwed it back in, then at the end took brake fluid, poured through here and cleaned it out that way. Don't use anything other than brake fluid on this because you've got the seal in there, so just use any quality brand of brake fluid. That should do it. And then the new part you can install when it should go in just the one time you need it to. This is a very expensive fancy version of what it should have been. So anyway, if you do go and buy new calipers and you get ready to do a brake job, don't forget this. Whatever they put in there is cheap and it may not be working correctly, so get that, replace it with something better, clean this out thoroughly, and then I would hope you'd be alright. These things are turned in for a deposit too, so it goes back for 25 bucks at a leading parts store.